back from our little mini vacation, and I'm going to insert some little clips for a few reasons. I didn't do a lot of vlogging there. It's because it was our friend's rental for the winter, and I just wanted to enjoy some time with them. Plus, we spent one night at dinner time with family, and I'll have that snippet as well. But I just really wanted to enjoy time away with Mark and I, with our friends and family. But also, the night before we were leaving, Archie, and if you guys don't know, we have a little dog. His name is Archie, and he is a Morkie. He is 6 pounds. He is 10 years old. And the night before we were leaving, he was just acting a little bit weird. And he had done that one other time before, and within a few hours was fine. So I was concerned, but not that concerned. So we got up to leave in the middle of the night to head to the airport, and he still wasn't quite himself. So thank God, one of our really good family friends, their daughter, who's watched Archie so many times, was going to be with him. And thank God she didn't work a lot of long hours, that she couldn't be here with him a lot. But anyway, needless to say, he had gotten worse while we were gone. We're on things for Mark and I, because I was just a mess. So, and they took him to the vet, and again, great family friends. I talked to the vet the whole 9 yards, got some medication and whatever. I'm really not going to share what's happening because we still don't quite know what the prognosis is. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, but I'm just so sad because I love him so much. But anyway, our flight was 5.5 hours late getting back home. We didn't get home till 2:30 in the morning. And thank God our sweet little house sitter stayed with him the whole time. And he's just not himself, but I'm hoping. So I don't want to start this vlog off like this. I'm so sorry. But you're my friends, and I know that he is a major part of my channel. So please just pray for Archie. Please just pray for him, and hopefully we'll get some answers here soon. So let's be positive. We're home, and I have some things that I want to do today with all of you. And it is a cold day out today. A little bit of snow, but nothing that's sticking, kind of a thing. A little bit of flurries on the rooftops and stuff like that. So I really want to start thinking of, my one video that I added some pink to my kitchen area, a little bit to my office. So I'm really just wanting to start slowly bringing in some of those kind of springy tones to the other areas of my house. And I have a visual of some things I want to look for. So I thought, what else do you do when you're feeling a little blue? Is maybe go out and do a little retail therapy. So I thought I'd bring you guys along, and we're going to go to Hobby Lobby, and maybe we'll go to Home Goods, and just see what they've got out there, and see if they've got something, a good sale or something that I can find. Just a few things that I really wanted to add, and again, that I am visualizing in my brain a little bit when I was on Pinterest and stuff like that. We're going to do that and make something yummy for dinner. So yes, that's what we're going to do. So anyway, you guys are going to keep me cheered up here, and I know your prayers will be coming, and I thank you. And I promise when I can share more, I will. I just want to wait and let the doctors try to figure things out. Okay, I'm going to get myself together here a little bit and take my little one out, and then we're going to hit the road. So I know some of you have asked for me, what do you wear during the day? Share some of your outfits. Though this is nothing crazy, fancy whatsoever. So this is just a V-neck sweater with a navy t-shirt on, leggings. And then I wore, which I love this, I love these jackets, and I love the pink with the navy, with the cream. That's why I chose to wear this sweater with the navy top underneath it. And then I just had some white booties on, and that's it, friends. I mean, nothing crazy, nothing fancy. A lot of times when I'm out and about running errands, when I come home, I'll even change into a lounger set. So I like looking for something for my island to put some of my spring dishes on. And this might just be perfect because, well, it already comes with some white dishes, but it's 40% off. I'm loving this color green. I think it's so pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. I've been eyeing these black terracotta planters, and I don't know why, I just feel like this will be so pretty in our house with some faux stems. This is the mirror that I was sharing with you in my bedroom refresh video. Now this is larger. I have the larger one in our foyer and in our powder room, and then the smaller one on my bedroom dresser. But this is a medium size, and all you need to do if you don't want the writing on here is just get nail polish remover and it comes right off. Here's the smaller one right here that I showed you on my dresser. So it's right now $16. Retail therapy. I didn't get much, but I'm gonna play around with the few things that I did get and try to pull some of the stuff that I have in my bins downstairs. And then in my next video, we're gonna do a little decorate my dinette area, like sort of refreshing a little bit from the winterish theme, a little bit more to adding just a tad of a spring vibe to it. So I enjoyed a little bit time out. I went and visited my mom, took her some of her favorite little treats. And my friend Lori, one of my best friends from high school, she's in town visiting her mom who lives in the same place, and they're like little BFFs. And anyway, so I stopped to say hello to her mom, and she was over there spending some time with her mom. So we just had a nice visit. And what I wanted to share with you guys, you know how much I love like daily devotions, and I know you guys always ask me, do you have any devotions or journals or certain things that you specifically like? And I know I shared my planner, which I love. So my mom, and I still to this day, I think, growing up, we always had the guideposts that my mom got sent every month, and it was a daily read, and I loved it, and it was always like laying around. We always had it in the house, and I always read it. Anyway, I didn't realize that they had an actual 1-minute daily devotions, this ring binder here. And so anyway, I've got to catch up. Obviously, we're like heading into February here now. So I've got like a whole month I've got to catch up on. But look at how pretty they've got the devotions. You can write things. I love the beautiful pictures. I'm a visual person, so I like visual things. So not only that, they have the devotions. Like I said, you can write some things. They got questions. They've got beautiful, beautiful pictures here, and I just love it. So this is what I am going to be using, and I can't wait to get into it. So I got a lot to catch up on, but I think I was going to sit here today next to my little cuddle bunny back here. I'm not sure if you guys can see him or not. and just do some devotions and put some of my favorite YouTube sceneries on that have lovely music, and I got the fireplace on, and just really enjoying just spending some time, quiet time, I guess I should say. And then I'm gonna make something yummy and delicious, simple but healthy for dinner. And so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Take it easy, day by day. Oh, that's what we do. Watching people all stressed out, running through their lives, a game they play, 1,000 miles of sadness. I can be with you wherever.
All right, friends, look who's here. Bev and Julie. It's been forever, girls, huh?
Yes, forever. We're glad together.
We're going to get run over. Well, anyway, we're going to go to dinner here at Sea Salt and with our friends and Bev and Julie. So, anyway, I wanted them to say hello to you guys.
Let's stay up until the morning light. Let the sun take care of your sorrow.
Tonight's dinner, I just cut out some chicken and I put some paprika and some garlic powder on my little chicken tenders and mixed together some coconut aminos with some honey and some gray poupon, and mix that together and pour that over. We're going to bake this at 400, but I'm also going to add a mixture of yummy peppers. I'm making a shaved Brussels sprout salad, so I've got some shaved Brussels sprouts here, red onion, a little bit of prune, yes, prunes, love them. I'm going to add some pomegranate seeds. I'm going to make a dressing with Dijon mustard, honey, and some seasonings. I'll list all the ingredients in the description section, but I saw this method about how you get the pomegranate seeds out. We're going to give it a try.
I never knew you could do it that way. If you guys have taken the seeds out of a pomegranate before like that, let me know in the comment section. But anyway, I just cut it in half and got a wooden spoon and this banged the outside of it and the seeds just came out. That was so easy. Normally I would cut them or, you know, put them in water and you manipulate it and try to get all the seeds out, or I would just go ahead and buy the seeds itself. Super easy. This salad is going to be so good. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the chicken and peppers in the oven, and I'm going to go make my dressing for the shredded Brussels sprout salad. I did want to share, since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, I have partnered with Rose Forever for many, many years. They launched in 2019, and their Rose Forever, now they claim they last a year, friends. Mine have lasted for years. Just saying, they have lasted for years. But they do come in different boxes. This one is the acrylic box. It does have the lid. They all do have the removable lids. But you don't have to have the lid on, but they are real. And I like to have the lid though because you can still see the beauty of them, but keep them from getting dusty. The acrylic ones do have a drawer, which I love. I got some perfumes in this one. The one I have in my office, I've got some note cards in it. But there are, let me see, I think pink suede and black velvet containers too, and all the materials made to use to make their boxes are all vegan. I love this company. I can't say there's never been, have I ever received anything from them that has been not the best of quality, and they are beautiful. So they're having a huge sale for Valentine's Day, and I've got a code for $25 off your order. I'll have all the information listed in the description section. But these are just absolutely beautiful. Well, friends, I got my loungers on. Dinner was really good. I would change though in the recipe. I would not use paprika, and I would add cayenne pepper to the chicken. I think that would have been even more tastier, and that salad was fabulous. But anyway, I'm ready just to chill out for the night. Just want to hang out with my little buddy. I will promise to keep you guys updated on Archie. But in the meantime, I hope you guys will come back and see me on Sunday for a brand new video. Love you all so much. We'll see